Hey guys, what's up? This is Anosuke, and this is the second part of my installation guide. This is for those people who want this. This is a custom versus screen. This tutorial is for those people who want this initially, and those who change their minds and want it now. In fact, let's start with those guys who want this now, and let's catch you up. If you've already patched your characters, here's how to unpatch them. First, go to your characters folder, hold down the shift button, and right click and copy the folder as a path. Then, opening up your command prompt, type CD, put a space, and paste it, and then paste the path in there. After doing that, what you need to do is actually delete the quotation marks. Otherwise, you'll get a syntax error. After inputting that and pressing enter, what you need to do is input lash.exe space dash undo. Make sure you type it exactly, or, as I just did, you will get a syntax error. Make sure you type it in exactly as it appears. lash.exe space dash undo. Lash exe undo. As you can see, it should, if you do it correctly, unpatch your characters. After doing that, exit out of command prompt, and then we can start. From here on out, guys, this is for everyone who wants to do this. Now, open up your optional screen pack add-on and unzip that file that's in there. As you can see, I've already done so. Open up the characters folder, and you'll see corresponding folders for each of the other ones, just like with the rounds folder. Now, go into the patches folder within that character folder and copy the patch into its corresponding folder. Why do you copy? Same reasons with the rounds patch. In case you mess up or you want to change something, you have the original. Now, what you need to do is move it down to the patches folder. After moving it to the patches folder, make sure that you say move and replace. That way it'll replace the normal one that was already there. Now for the best yet most tricky part of this operation, adding the versus screen. First, what you want to do is go to the folder where you have your versus screen image located. I'm going to be using Quando. What you need to do first is make a copy. Why? Well, let me open up Fighter Factory and tell you why. After opening Fighter Factory and accessing your character's definitions file, make sure when you go into the sprite file, you're highlighting the character sprite. Why? Because sometimes effects have different palettes than the actual character, so to be safe, always highlight a character. After selecting an image that you like looking at for like 3 seconds, click on the palette editor and click the space that says keep the same name as image. Then go to the folder where you have all your versus screens. What we're going to do is we're going to take that copy and apply the palette to it. So all we do is just go in here, click the image, then put apply palette to images. After that, just name it whatever, because you click that space that says keep the same name as the image, which is what it'll do. Now, back to the sprite file. Go all the way to the end, and then click the Add PSX button. Click that button. Then go into the folder that contains the image that you applied the palette to. Then, here's the important part. Pay attention. Put the group number as 9009, the image number as 999, the X value over here at 328, and the Y value as 277. Make sure you do not click the shared palette button. If you did it correctly, nothing else should pop up after saying one new sprite was added. Yeah, I know it's ugly, but so is Quando, so it fits. Unlike what I just did, make sure you confirm that the screen is actually working by clicking the Activate Transparency button. After that, save and exit. Alright guys, this is it. These are the last steps you have to do in order to add the Versus Screen Pack add-on. All you have to do now, after saving and exiting Fighter Factory, is run the Lash EXE patcher. You should repatch all your files and they should work perfectly now. Also, here's something I forgot to mention. If you downloaded it, if you download the screen pack before January 19th, make sure you go back to the website and download the fixer. That way, all your Versus Screen packs and other stuff will work correctly. Again, this is the end. I'd like to thank Syn for making this and you guys for watching this. Now, if you input everything correctly, it should look like this. See you guys later.